Hello everyone, this is Hari Prabha. We are going to study about fluid mechanics and machinery. Here the index is introduction, need for fluid mechanics, that is why we need to study about fluid mechanics and machineries, applications and their properties. Before that, we must know that what is fluid and what is mechanics. Okay, first we will see what is fluid. Any substance which can flow, that is maybe a liquid state, that is maybe a gaseous state, for example water or honey or O2, etc. We can also tell as a fluid is a substance which deforms continuously. Okay, so this is called as fluid. Next we will see what is some facts about fluid. So when fluid is in flow condition, at the time shear stress will present. When fluid is in rest condition, shear stress will be absent, which means all force is must be perpendicular to plane which they are acting, right? When fluid is in motion, the shear stress is developed due to the particles in the fluid moving relative to one another, right? Next, uh, let us clearly understood with an example. Consider an example of fluid flowing in a pipeline. For fluid flowing in a pipeline, fluid velocity will be 0 at pipe wall, but velocity will increase while fluid moving towards the center of the pipe. Here you can see that distribution of velocity, that is maximum in center of the pipe wall, but velocity will be 0 near the pipe wall. So it is clear that is shear force is normally present because of adjacent layer of fluid moving with different velocity compared to the each other. Now you clear with what is fluid. Now let me clear also what is mechanics. Mechanics, the branch of science which deals with force and its effects, that is magnitude force or direction force. For clearly understand, consider an example of stationary football. When you kick it, you exert the force on it, right? Force produces the acceleration. Thus remember that in mechanics we study about force and its effects. That's it. Now what is fluid mechanics? A fluid mechanics is the branch of science in which study about in behavior of fluid under the action of force, that is known as fluid mechanics. This is furtherly classified into three parts, that is fluid statics, fluid kinematics, fluid dynamics. Okay, fluid statics. The word statics means at rest, you know that, and we already discussed about the fluid. I mean it is either gas or liquid. Thus we can say that fluid statics is study of fluid at rest. Next, what is fluid kinematics? Fluid kinematics is the study of fluids and motion neglecting the pressure force is known as fluid kinematics, right? Next, fluid dynamics, and we define fluid dynamics as the study of fluid in motion considering the pressure force. It is opposite to the kinematics, right? Okay, thus we remember that fluid mechanics are three sub branches like fluid statics, fluid kinematics and fluid dynamics. Next, why fluid mechanics? Why fluid mechanics means uh, we are going to discuss that fluid mechanics help us understand the behavior of fluid under the various force and at different atmospheric conditions, and to select the proper fluid for various applications also, right? uh, which means there are number of fluid that when we burn produce lot of heat which can be used for various applications. Example of the fluid petrol diesel for vehicles, right? There are some fluids like oil that have a tendency to exert very high pressure or force This helps to lifting various heavy loads, right? So next, common applications of fluids. See here some applications: hydroelectric power plants, hydraulic machines, automobiles, refrigerator and air conditioners, and then thermal power plants, nuclear power plants, heat engines. So they are the important application of fluid mechanics and machineries in day-to-day life. Because see, hydroelectric power plant, in hydroelectric power plant, water is used to generate electricity on a large scale basis. You know that. Here, water is what? Fluid. You know that. Water stored in a dam, potential energy which is converted into the electrical energy in the power generation unit of the plant, right? So like these other applications also having major role in day to day life, right? Okay, we are all thought that fluid mechanics is a subject involving equations and complex mathematics formula. Yes, of course, mathematics and equations also involved, but here are some everyday applications you may not have thought about it. See here, applying makeup, washing dishes, making coffee, checking blood pressure, force on a soap dispenser, showering, toothpaste, etc. We are all applying makeup day to day life, right? When you put eyeshadow or powder, you are most definitely applying shear force and pressure force. You may realize when you put foundation on a sponge and smear it over your face, you can feel that shear stress acting on your face. This is real. Okay. So like this you can relate the reality to mathematical. Next, we will see properties of fluids in fluid mechanics. The various properties of fluids in fluid mechanics are mass density, weight, weight density, and specific gravity, specific volume, viscosity, etc. First, we will see density or mass density. It is defined as the ratio of mass of fluid to its volume. It is represented by the symbol rho. This unit is kg per cubic meter. That is rho is equal to mass of the fluid divided by volume of the fluid. Next, specific weight or specific density. That is, weight per unit volume is called weight density. It is denoted by the symbol of W. W is equal to weight of the fluid divided by volume of the fluid. Next, specific gravity. That is, it is the ratio of weight density of the fluid to the weight density of the fluid, standard fluid. That is, you see here, S is equal to weight density of the fluid divided by weight density of the standard fluid. It is represented by the symbol of S. Next, specific volume. Specific volume is equal to volume of the fluid divided by mass of the fluid, that is volume per unit mass. Next, viscosity. Viscosity is a property of the fluid which offers resistance to the movement of a fluid over another adjacent layer of the fluid. It is denoted by the symbol of mu. Mu is equal to tau by du by dy. Thank you. May you clear with what is fluid mechanics and their applications and their properties. Thank you.